How's it going, YouTube? I'm sorry if there's a little background noise. My neighbor's cutting the yard, but I wanted to make a quick video of a new addition that I got for my Kia here, for the Kia K5. It's a 2021 1.6 liter turbo. I just picked this guy up here. It's a K&N 5033-5108. And I'm going to go ahead and change out the air filter of the stock one here. Really easy on this car. Once you open the hood, front driver's side over here, lift up on the lever, hold down these, and it pulls out. This is the second filter I've had in the car. We're at 99,000 or 98,099, something like that. I decided we were going to spoil her and get her the K&N. This was $59.99 on Amazon. And you just push it right in. Nice firm fit. And that's it. And close her up. Short, easy video. Figured I'd make a quick video. I'll let you know how I feel about it once I've had it a little longer. We're going to be doing a video here on the 10,000 mile and 2 year of ownership coming up. I'm going to go ahead and do the final part of the install here. It's a sticker. I'm going to go ahead and they don't give you any for the window like they used to. Clean that off a little bit. This is it. Do you really have a K&N if you don't have the sticker? What produces the horsepower? There we are. We'll see how it does. I know it's a gimmick probably, but I figured I've had them in my other car. I have them in the Olds here. Had one in my Altima. Figured I'd put one in this. Tired of spending the $30 a clip for the Kia one that is garbage in comparison. I mean, it's not a bad filter. It's very stout, but for $30 to have to buy this each time you need a new air filter, it's expensive. It adds up over the life of the car here. It's in the box. I gotta register it. I was thinking about getting the intake because it's actually on sale right now, but I opted not to at this moment. But yeah, so it's very easy install. The old one in the box. But we'll see how that works out. But like I said, we're getting up there now. About to be 2 years in August. This is July. And we're at 99.03. Needs cleaned inside. I gotta get a cabin air filter too for it, but figured I'd throw that on. We just got new tires. I guess we'll talk about these real quick. These are the Nexen Enpris AH8. We just got 4 of these put on less than a month ago for inspection because the Pirellis were shot. I also had gotten a flat on the back driver's side. Something punctured it, and so that kind of just sped it up. I already had them here. So far, they've been on here about a month, and I'm impressed. Handling has actually felt better. They're a lot quieter so far. It doesn't feel like it wants to chirp the tires as much as it did. It actually feels like they are trying to grip where the Pirellis would just spin. So they definitely feel a little grippier in my opinion. I've had good luck with Nexens. That's actually, the Nexens are actually what I keep on my Oldsmobile. These have been on here for 2 years now. Now this car doesn't get driven every day, and they've been rotated once. So this is the rear tire. And here is the front tire. So this is 2 years, and I think I had these put on at 67. We're at almost 71, so I mean, not a whole lot of miles. But this car would burn through tires every year when I was putting the, not Yokohamas, Hankooks. It was burning them off yearly with 3,000 miles. So I'm impressed with these. They're quiet, they ride nice. So that's part of the reason why I opted to get them for the Kia here. And they're the best bang for the buck. But anyways, I want to thank you for watching here. I'll give another review on these. And you have yourself a good day.